Alright, it's our throttle body for the Harrier, yeah? Remove the ear bypass valve and the TPS. Alright? Wash up in these areas. The ear bypass valve was removed from here, as one can see. Yeah. Ear bypass was all removed from there. Gasket. Alright, about the carbon buildup on the inside, as you can see. Now with this carbon buildup on the inside of the throttle body, what you find happening is that to balance out the vehicle at 1000 RPM or less than 1000 RPM, right? Due to the carbon buildup on the inside, right? There isn't an even flow of air going through. Now, one would go to the mechanic and he would adjust your throttle screw. Now, adjusting the throttle screw, he would step up the rev. After he has done that, it would now change the reading on your TPS. Right? Now your vehicle is going to be burning more fuel more than before. Now, once they have done that adjustment, then comes into play your ear bypass valve. Now your ear bypass valve, right? One, you have a water inlet and you have an air inlet on your ear bypass valve. Because the ear bypass valve reads the temperature of the water or the coolant per se, and the volume of air that is coming into the throttle body, right? When it does that, now it does the ratioing of the fuel. Now as a result of that, that's how you burn fuel efficient in these cars. Alright, I'm going to be washing up the throttle body and assembling it back to specs. Doc out.